Hey, what's up 360 booth operators? So I understand you guys are having issues with mounting the U200 Light or the U200 Light breaking on you, and maybe not too familiar on how exactly all these parts that come with the booth work together. So let me show you a really quick video that's going to show you how to get the best out of your U200 Light. Let's go. So there's an arm right here, it goes up. Now when you get your 360 booth, you're going to get a bag like this with a bunch of goodies. Those goodies are for you to use to your best advantage. One of them looks just like this. What you want to do is you want to grab this one right here. Take a good look at it. Okay, I want to grab that right there. Then let me go ahead and tilt this down a little bit. You guys can barely see it. Cool. Then you want to spin it right in here until it's nice and tight. Okay, a lot of you, some of you actually, what I see you guys do is you guys are taking the U200 Light, right? And then you're just putting it in here just like this. That's a lot of stress on this female adapter, because your whole light is swinging back and forth just using this little part right here. And so you're gonna end up breaking this part really easily. You don't wanna do that. You wanna make your life much easier by taking this piece, and it comes with your setup. If you bought directly from the manufacturer I bought mine from, you're gonna get this thing, okay? It's gonna come with it. I believe it actually comes with two. So I'm gonna go ahead and just twist it on here as fast as possible, trying to keep this video short. I have an appointment coming up right now, a one-on-one. Okay, so now that it's done, as you guys can see, now I can put the U200 Light right here, and I can swivel the light around as much as possible. So now what I do is I grab the light and twist it on here like this, okay? And once the light grabs on, I'll tighten this part, and then just give it a little bit more, just so it's tight enough that it's not moving all the way around. Now look at this, guys. I can swivel my whole entire U200 Light. If I get shorter people, I can go ahead and just tilt it down. If I get taller people on the booth, I can go ahead and direct it up. And I also have the freedom to move this mount that's inside for my phone. So this gives you a ton of angle flexibility. So I'm hoping that you guys can do it this way. That way now, for example, your U200 Light is sitting upright, just like this. Back up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. See, now your U200 is nice and up like this, and you can tighten it if you need to move it. I'm sorry, you can loosen it if you need to move it and tighten it. And then on this part right here on your phone, you can just up and down, up and down. So please, guys, make note of this. I don't want you guys breaking your U200 Lights. It cost me a lot of money to ship these out to you and send them out to you. So I want them to like really last. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.